So guys, you want to download the software called Display Fusion. I'm going to leave a link to it down below in the description. It comes with a 30-day free trial. You can see if you like it or not, and if it works. And if you're happy with it, then you could purchase it on Steam like I have. So whether you decide to purchase it on Steam or you go with the trial version, once you have Display Fusion downloaded, it will appear somewhere on your taskbar. You might need to click on the arrow and then it might appear over here. But you want to open up Display Fusion. So you can either open it up by clicking on Display Fusion on your desktop, or it might come up on your taskbar. You want to right click on it and then click on Settings, and now it's going to open up. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Functions, and then in the filter box you want to type in Deactivate. And now this will come up, Prevent Window Deactivation, Keep Game Window Focused. So once you see this, you want to double click on it, and then you want to set the keybind that you want for it. So for me personally, I just do Control, and then I put Enter right here. So I've both just selected Control and Enter. You can do any keybinds that you want. You can do like Alt+O, you can do anything that you want. So now once you select your keybind, you want to click on OK, and then click on Apply. Now once you've done all this, once you're in your game, you want to click on your keybind. So for me it's going to be Control and Enter, and then you're going to hear this sound, which means that it's now locked, and now you will not be getting the tabbing out problem. And if you want to reverse it, you just want to click on the keybind that you set again, and then that sound's going to come up, which means that it will start tabbing out again.